Hello friends, and welcome to the channel. I'm Handington, and today we are making Handington's Improv Burrito. This is literally my lunch, and I decided to film me making it because I just decided this would be interesting. So, step one, our dishwasher is not working right now. Well, I mean it is, but it causes leaks, so we have it turned off. So paper plate is necessary. I have le burrito tortilla. And when you are out of cheese, like we are at the moment, and have other cold cuts such as ham to improvise with, improv is very good. I have Borden's string cheese to use. And what I'm going to do is, I'm going to turn this into a cheese roll-up burrito. Similar to, what do you call it? Well, when I was younger, I used to love the cheese roll-ups at Taco Bell. I think they still have them, but they're not as prominent. This is not going to be the same thing, but I am going to be having cheese in a tortilla, so it is a similar thing, and that's what it makes me think of. When I was younger, I used to put some cheddar cheese, like we'd get like a little brick of cheddar, and I would cut it up and then put it onto here to try and recreate those. So here, I don't have the Handington eyes either because I don't want them to get dirty. They're in the other room. And again, this is just all on the spot. I had my phone with me, and I decided, yes, I want to do this. Oh. I know it's honey ham, but it seems a whole slimy. I know ham becomes slimy when it goes bad. Oy. Well, this is the older ham. We have newer ham as a cold cut, so I think I'm going to go get that instead. Yeah, I forgot. This is not honey ham. And, I mean, this ham is like 2.5 weeks old. Let me go get the newer one. Yes, this is the newer ham. It is much better. It is not. It's not quite as slimy as the other one. Like we've had ham that has become slimy because we hadn't eaten it in time, unfortunately. So I kind of could tell this one feels a lot better. So here we have one slice of ham left because I think my sister really likes ham. So I haven't gotten to have too much of this, so wahaha, I will get the last slice this time. Just from being out here, it is a very hot and humid day. The cold string cheese is already starting to become warm and squishy again, rather than being a bit more firm. This is hard to do with one hand. The ham has been put on the burrito, the ham is put on the burrito, the ham is put on tortilla to become a burrito. My mistake. I have opened up le cheese stick. I love string cheese. It's awesome. Normally I would just eat it either by pulling the strings off or just like an occasional bite, just like, well, no, normally I don't just bite into it. Usually I just kind of like peel the strings off while eating it. So that's normally how I eat the string cheese. But today, because we don't have too much other cheese and this is available, and it's also perfect burrito size, I thought, hey, I want to give this a try. And if it doesn't work out, at least I have it filmed. If I'm ever going to do this again, I might as well film the birth of this. So I'm going to roll it up. I'm gonna roll it up. I am not good at making stuff, so I'm gonna do my best. Okay, the burrito-y goodness is all wrapped up. Now to heat it in the microwave. Microwaveification. The burrito's becoming undone. Oh, the camera wasn't even focused on the thing at hand. Sorry, I didn't realize it was going down. Alright. The goodness is being prepared. And we give it a stop. I got worried that it was going to be a problem. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Alright, it seems to be working. It's very hot. Very hot. Oh, very, very hot. Let's see the inside. Oh, the cheese has not melted. No, that doesn't really show up. Cheese has not melted yet. But getting close, it's very squishy. Let's do that again for another round. The burrito is a success.